Discover your sanctuary at this ocean view home perched on 2 acres, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and sunsets you'll want to watch every day. One of the standout features of this home is the versatile garage space. It's big enough to hold 3 vehicles, or it can be converted into an office, extra living space, or anything else that you can imagine. Step into a generous living space with vaulted ceilings. Arched windows and doorways not only let in lots of light, but add plenty of character and charm to the space. A stylish kitchen features modern appliances, plentiful counter space, and a welcoming bar, perfect for your extra seating needs. Upstairs, the primary suite is a true retreat. Wake up every morning and walk out on your private balcony and take in the ocean view. The bedroom features a queen bed, AC, an ensuite bathroom, and a soaking tub, a true luxury in Nicaragua. Extend your living space outdoors with this expansive covered patio. A great place to enjoy some al fresco dining. And just off the covered patio is an oversized saltwater pool, a great place to cool off on a hot day. Just beyond the pool is a fenced yard that's been recently seeded, perfect for your play and relaxation needs. In addition to this space are 2 more fenced areas, perfect if you're thinking about getting horses or for other grazing animal needs. Only 20 minutes from San Juan del Sur and 1 mile from a paved road, this location is ideal. Come and grab your slice of paradise at the Ocean View home on 2 acres. Contact me today for more information and we'll see you at the beach.